How do we usually describe anything around us? Say for example a book. How would I describe the book? The size of the book surely would be the first thing to describe it. What else would you use to describe the book? Color of the book maybe? Yes, so we would say the book is A4 sized and has a yellow cover. What are these properties called? They describe the book physically, right? So we call these properties as physical properties. So what do you think are chemical properties of a substance? The smell of oil is one of its chemical properties. Why do you think it is a chemical property? Oil and water are both liquids but smell different. Therefore, this is a chemical property. Let us take another example to understand this better. You must have used flavored water to make an ice candy. Now tell me, is the candy different from the solution? No, it isn't. Though the solution is in liquid state and the candy is in a solid state, the matter in both is the same. They smell the same and have the same molecules. Their physical states are different, but their chemical properties are the same. So when can I say a chemical reaction has occurred? When we burn a piece of paper, we get ash. This is chemical change when the paper has changed its chemical properties. It has reacted with the air while burning and given rise to altogether new molecules. Was there a change in the physical properties? Yes, the paper after being burnt doesn't look anything like the original paper. This is called a chemical change or a chemical reaction. When substances react with some other substance and undergo a chemical change, we call this a chemical reaction. Now that you know what a chemical reaction is, let us look at the idea of elements and compounds. What do you think is an element? If you have a substance which cannot be broken down into simpler forms by chemical reactions, we call it an element. And when two or more elements combine chemically, we call that a compound. We will study these in detail in our next video.